Eggs have long been a dietary staple and an essential ingredient in countless recipes around the world. Not only are they a versatile and nutritious food source, but they also come in a surprising variety of types, each with its own unique characteristics. In this article, we will explore the different types of eggs, shedding light on their distinctive qualities, culinary uses, and cultural significance. Chicken eggs. Chicken eggs are undoubtedly the most common and widely consumed eggs globally. They are known for their oval shape and typically range in color from white to brown. The differences in color are attributed to the breed of the chicken, with white feathered hens generally laying white eggs and brown feathered hens producing brown eggs. Chicken eggs are used in a wide array of culinary applications, from baking to frying and boiling. They serve as a primary source of protein and are rich in essential nutrients like vitamin B12, vitamin D, and various minerals. The versatility of chicken eggs has made them an indispensable ingredient in countless dishes, from omelets to cakes and beyond. Duck eggs. Duck eggs are larger and have a thicker shell than chicken eggs. They are favored for their rich flavor and higher fat content, which makes them a popular choice in baking, especially for pastries. The yolks of duck eggs are notably larger and can add a delightful richness to dishes like custards and quiches. In many Asian cuisines, duck eggs are a common ingredient. They are used to make salted duck eggs, a delicacy where the eggs are preserved in a mixture of salt and clay, resulting in a distinctive salty flavor and a vibrant orange yolk. Quail eggs. Quail eggs are tiny, speckled eggs that are a delicacy in various cuisines, including Japanese, Chinese, and European. These eggs are known for their delicate, mild flavor and are often served as bite-sized snacks, pickled, or used as garnishes in salads and sushi. Their small size makes them an excellent choice for elegant appetizers and hors d'oeuvres. Turkey eggs. Turkey eggs are relatively rare in comparison to chicken eggs and are primarily consumed in regions where turkeys are more commonly raised. They are larger than chicken eggs, have a similar flavor, and can be used in various culinary applications. Turkey eggs are often used as a substitute for chicken eggs in recipes when available. Goose eggs. Goose eggs are among the largest of all bird eggs, with a rich, creamy yolk. They are a delicacy in many parts of the world, prized for their rich flavor and versatile culinary uses. Goose eggs can be used in baking, making omelets, or even as a luxurious addition to pasta dishes. Ostrich eggs. Ostrich eggs are the largest bird eggs in the world and can weigh several pounds. One ostrich egg is equivalent to around 24 chicken eggs in volume. These eggs have a thick shell that requires a strong hand and a sharp tool to crack open. Ostrich eggs are quite rare in many markets but are considered a delicacy in some regions. They are often used in dishes that can feed a large group due to their substantial size. Eggs come in various shapes, sizes, and flavors, offering a world of culinary possibilities. From the humble chicken egg, a staple in kitchens worldwide, to the luxurious ostrich egg, the diversity of eggs reflects the richness of our global food culture. Each type of egg has its own unique characteristics, making it suitable for specific culinary applications and cultural traditions. Whether you're savoring a quiche made with duck eggs or trying salted duck eggs in a traditional Chinese mooncake, the world of eggs is a fascinating journey for food enthusiasts and cooks alike.